Imagine buying a Flyin Miata kit and getting a lovely Garrett turbo, only to find out it needs ported just like a $200 eBay turbo. That's what happened to Scourge, the NA Turbo Miata and the Miata gang here, but we're gonna fix that issue today. Bill's gonna rip the turbo out, I'm gonna give it the old polish port touch. We're gonna throw this sucker back in and see if it killed the boost creep like my car. The hardware on these kits made it a little more difficult to get everything apart than it was on my car, but it's alright, we got it. Don't act like we didn't. What we did is mark the wastegate so we could see how much material we could take out, so I could get to the grinding. After I got the whole housing ported and Bill got it all cleaned out, we started getting it back in the car so we could take it out for a test drive. Got it all together, there's no leaks. Bill and I are hopping in and grabbing the old tuner laptop, and we're gonna see what the porting did to his turbo. Hopefully it does the same thing. Great success! The porting killed the boost creep. Get out of here, creep. Bill's car now makes a very steady climb in the boost, right to 10, right to the spring pressure where it's supposed to be, and it stays there. He's not hitting boost cut. The creep has been killed once again!
Mike tried to kill me. Look at this.